Howler monkeys, so this is my best howler monkey impression. Okay, so now it's the morning, and if you've never been woken up by a howler monkey troop, it's about the strangest alarm clock you'll ever hear. They're somewhere around here. Now it's about 6. So they're active, they've stretched out, they're out here. I'm just gonna go find them. There was a mama and baby that was sleeping up in this tree last night. So I'm trying to see where they went. Do you hear that? They're like, who's this monkey in our turf? They don't recognize me. I don't know why. Okay, so when you look for monkeys, you actually don't always use your eyes as much as your ears. So obviously there'll be the howling that goes on. But the other thing that happens is you hear branches go, shh. Ah, I just heard it and now I see the monkeys.
Meet the golden mantled howler monkey, Alouatta palliata palliata. Monkeys like this are incredibly important to keeping tropical forests balanced. The forest actually depends on them because they disperse seeds of dozens of species of trees by eating the fruit and the seeds and then doing, well, this. It's pretty gross, but it's got seeds in it. Howler monkeys are considered the loudest land animal in the world, but they don't really howl as much as they kind of bark and roar. Scientists studying their social structures found that the louder a male can roar, the smaller his testes. So, judging by the size of this guy, I'm guessing he's pretty quiet. Watching a monkey climb through the trees is one of the most fun and mesmerizing and entertaining experiences in the jungle, and will always be worthy of an entry into the Jungle Diaries.